This is Daily Trivia. 10 questions. Let's begin. Which genre, often associated with angst-ridden lyrics, distorted guitars, and a DIY ethic, gained mainstream popularity in the early 1990s with bands like Nirvana and Pearl Jam? Correct. Grunge. Which drummer is famous for playing on Michael Jackson's Billie Jean, known for its iconic isolated drum intro? Nailed it, Jeff Porcaro. What is the standard tuning for a 4-string bass guitar? That's right, EADG. Which song, released in 2003, features the lyrics "Crazy in Love, I'm Not Myself Lately" and marked Beyoncé's official debut as a solo artist? Nailed it, Crazy in Love. What year did MTV stop regularly playing music videos? Correct. Nice. Which 1980s song, co-written by Lionel Richie and Michael Jackson, was a charity single to raise money for African famine relief? Boom. Correct. We Are the World. What does NFT stand for? Boom. Correct. Non-fungible token. Which hip-hop album is widely regarded as the first to receive a perfect 5 mic rating from the Source magazine? Nailed it, Illmatic Nas. What is the name of the Australian wind instrument made from a hollowed-out tree branch, often associated with Aboriginal culture? Nailed it, didgeridoo. Which 1998 album marked Madonna's experimentation with electronica and won her a Grammy for Best Pop Album? Nailed it, Ray of Light. If you scored 8 or higher, you're sharp. Come back tomorrow.